Here's some not so sexy and slightly unhinged thoughts about hosting a retreat as a business coach. The coaches that seem to have effortless sales and sell out are the ones that start 6 to 9 months before they even want to host. So like they might have a target retreat date of April and they have already sold it out now, and not even during Black Friday. They seem to be the most successful coaches because they've leveraged magnetic marketing and they have this huge runway to actually create and curate that transformation with experiences, with ambiance, with decor. And a lot of people who try to sell their retreat quickly, like plan, launch, and host in 90 days or in 2 weeks or something, just doesn't have the capacity to be super thoughtful with the transformation that they're offering and how they're going to do that. So tiny details and even some big details are missed because of money loves speed. And honestly, if you haven't had 50 to 100 people through your coaching offers, you shouldn't even be thinking about hosting a retreat. You should be learning magnetic marketing and getting lead generation from your marketing into your coaching offers and closing them, because learning that skill is going to close your retreat and sell your retreat out so much easier than if you're still trying to figure it out along the way. And honestly, planning your retreat by yourself is not a badge of honor. Like, so many coaches are like, I figured it out. Just like I figured out my podcast and I figured out my brand photos. I don't even know. But like, there's certain things you have to figure out, but there's other things that you don't. And retreats are like a $45,000, $50,000 expense. So it seems ludicrous to me that you're just going to wing it and figure it out when you're gambling with that much money. You don't know why you're even hosting the retreat. You should not be looking at pretty villas. Like, you shouldn't even be on Airbnb yet. You should not be contacting venues. Because if you don't know why you're hosting, then no one is going to know why they're going to go. And so you're literally just draining money down the toilet. Gifts and swag should be the last thing that you use your retreat budget for. They're cherries on top. Because you should not be giving gifts and swag bags if you're not serving 3 meals a day. You should not be giving gifts and swag bag items if you're not offering airport transportation. Like, period. Those are cherries on top. Those are not pillars. Most people don't want your crappy compact with a sticker on it that you printed on your home printer, or your cheap sunglasses. Nobody wants that. Like, that is a waste of money. Last one for now. If you're not making $10,000 on your retreat, then there's something wrong. Like, your budget's wrong, your pricing strategy is non-existent. Like, there's no fucking reason you shouldn't be making money on your retreats. And I don't give a shit if one business coach says nobody makes money on your retreats. That is false. They don't know what the fuck they're doing because they did it themselves. And now you're going to the person who hasn't mastered it and asking how to make money. They don't know, sis. They've never done it. They've never done it hosting a retreat. So if you're hosting a retreat in 2026 and you want actual solid data-driven strategy behind it, slide into my DMs on Instagram. Let's chat about it, because I want you to win this year. I want you to win on this retreat, and I want it to feel good inside, because why shouldn't it? Let's chat.